Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Luminescent Oracle. This is by Ana Neves, published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. This retails for $17.95 in the US, and of course in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. I'm quite excited. This looks beautiful. The Luminescent Oracle introduces a sacred sisterhood of 44 fearless women, warriors, goddesses, and witches who share their feminine wisdom through inspirational stories of growth and transformation. The hand-painted cards glow with auric energy, reflecting the artist's view that even in dark times, hope prevails to light our way. Find divine guidance and insightful messages in the 36-page booklet, which includes 4 unique custom card spreads. All right, love the packaging, love the price as well. There we go. There's the back of the cards. Really pretty. We'll get into this in just a moment. I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. It looks like you can use this how you see fit with an oracle. So we have the single card spread here, the 3 card, the pillar, the mirror spread, and the lantern spread. And then it goes into the card's meanings. Awesome. Okay, so it is black and white printed in the guidebook. And then here is the deck. Back of the cards, really pretty. Slight gloss coating to it. It is that nice US Games Systems cardstock. Very flexible, but snapping back. And it's right in that sweet spot for me personally, where it's in that medium thickness, where it's not too thin and it's not too thick. So very good with shuffling. All right. And it's a nice card size too. It's not super big, but it's not very skinny. I'm going to read the title at the bottom because it might be hard to see on the screen. So this is Acceptance. Beautiful artwork. Adaptation. Aim. Allowance. Gorgeous. Ambition. Balance. Choices. I feel like this is one of those decks where you'll find something new in the imagery every time you use it. Clarity. Commitment. Compassion. Confidence. Courage. Creativity. Curiosity. Dance. Destiny. Dreamer. Eagerness. Emotion. Engagement. Expectation. friendship. Grace. Gratitude. Growth. Guidance. Hope. Independence. Insight. This artwork is beautiful. Journey. Joy. Letting go. Love. New start. Patience. Ooh, persistence. Recognition. Recovery. Reminiscence. Restraint. Revelation. Sanctuary. Strength. And time. All right, let's see how it shuffles here. Not bad. There we go. I'm going to try to see if it shuffles from side to side just because I like trying different sizes. Yep. All right, there we go. And overhand shuffles well too. All right. Strength wanted to come out, so that's what we will read for. All right, so it's set up in alphabetical order in the guidebook here. So we have keywords at the top: energy, dedication, and resilience. Nothing will stop me today. In me, there is a power and determination to keep moving forward through my troubles, not looking back. I have the drive and energy that the world offers me to go further and succeed despite whatever difficulties come my way. I will keep my head up and forge ahead. Love that. I do think this is a great daily deck. I think this is great if you are asking what to focus on for the day, what to let go of for the day, as well as any other kind of questions or readings that you have going on. This will be a great deck to add to that. It feels very empowering and it feels very much divine feminine rising. It's beautifully done. The artwork is just stunning. I would love to see a little bit more diversity in here. I did see some. This is just a personal thing for me. I would love to see more of. Beautiful artwork, beautifully mystical and ethereal and dreamy while still very grounded. So I really liked this. I think it's a great price point. I think if you're looking for a very beginner friendly deck, this is great. If you are someone who likes a very straightforward guidebook and deck, this will be great for you. If you are someone who likes the more fantastical fairy tale goddess, witchy vibe, this is for you. It's very beautifully done and very easy with the intuitive hits too. It's very beautiful. So love the price point, love the content, and I am excited to get to know this on a deeper level. I would love to know what your thoughts on this deck are. Is this something that you've been excited about? Is this something you've had on your list? Is it now on your list? Let me know all of your thoughts below. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am super excited to get to know it a little bit better. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.